Prescribed Practical B3 to investigate the effect of temperature on enzyme activity. So in this experiment we are looking at the effect of the enzyme amylase that is used to break down starch into simple sugars. To test for starch we use iodine solution, and iodine will change from yellow-brown to blue-black if starch is present. So we have 3 different temperatures that this experiment is going to be done at: 20 degrees, 40 degrees and 60 degrees. So in one test tube, if we look at the 20 degrees, we have 5 centimetre cubed of starch solution, and in the other test tube there is 1 centimetre cubed of the enzyme amylase. These have been sitting at room temperature for 5 minutes, so we will add the amylase to the starch and immediately start the stop clock. We'll put the 40 degrees in the water bath for 5 minutes, and we will do the same for the 60 degrees experiment. On a spotting tile, we have placed some iodine, and every minute, from 1 minute on, we will remove 1 drop of the mixture to test to see if there is any starch present. When the colour change no longer changes, so it no longer goes blue-black but stays yellow-brown in the iodine, then we know that there is no starch present. It has all been broken down. So as we approach 1 minute, we get ready. So we remove a small amount, and every minute onwards we keep doing that until the colour change no longer happens. The same is done at 40 degrees, so after 5 minutes we mix the amylase and starch together, and every minute then test with the iodine on a spotting tile, and we do the same with the 60 degree experiment. At 20 degrees Celsius it took 8 minutes for the starch to be digested. At 40 degrees it took 3 minutes for the starch to be digested. At 60 degrees the enzyme has not been able to break down the starch after 24 minutes. The enzyme has been denatured.